In this video, we will solve the exponential equation 2 to the power of 3x times 5 to the power of 3x plus 1 equals 7 to the power of negative 2x. We will start by applying the product rule for exponents. That is, b to the power of m plus n equals b to the m's power times b to the n's power. We will use this rule to write 5 to the power of 3x plus 1 as 5 to the power of 3x times 5 to the power of 1. Then we will have 2 to the power of 3x times 5 to the power of 3x times 5 to the power of 1 equals 7 to the power of negative 2x. In the next step, we will need the product to power rule for exponents. That is, a to the n's power multiplied by b to the n's power equals the product ab all raised to the n's power. This rule works when these two exponents are the same. In our problem, on the left side, we have two exponents that are the same. Then we can rewrite this as a product of 2 times 5 all to the power of 3x multiplied by 5 equals 7 to the power of negative 2x. Then 2 times 5 equals 10, so now we have 10 to the power of 3x times 5 equals 7 to the power of negative 2x. From here, we will take either the natural logarithm or the common logarithm on both sides. And because on the left side one of the bases is 10, I will use the common logarithm. Then we will have log of 10 to the power of 3x times 5 equals log of 7 to the power of negative 2x. Now on the left side, we will use the product rule for logarithms. That is, log base b of the product x times y equals the sum of log base b of x and log base b of y. Then according to this rule, on the left side we will have log of 10 to the power of 3x plus log of 5, and then on the right side log of 7 to the power of negative 2x. Now in this equation, on the left side we have two terms and on the right side just one term. In the next step, we will take the terms that have x and write them on the left side, and the one that doesn't have x, we will write it to the right. Then we will have log of 10 to the power of 3x minus log of 7 to the power of negative 2x equals negative log of 5. So we subtracted these two logarithms from both sides. In the next step, we will need the power rule for logarithms. That is, log base b of x to the power of c equals c log base b of x. This property allows us to move each exponent in front of the logarithm. Then we will have 3x log of 10 minus negative 2x log of 7 equals negative log of 5. On the left side, log of 10 equals 1 because the base of this logarithm is also 10, and 10 to the first power equals 10. Also, these two negatives will make a positive. Then we will have 3x plus 2x log of 7 equals negative log of 5. On the left side, let's factor out x. Then we will have x, parenthesis, 3 plus 2 log of 7 equals negative log of 5. And now to get x alone, we will divide both sides by 3 plus 2 log of 7. Then x will be equal to negative log of 5 over 3 plus 2 log of 7. This is an exact value of x, and if we want to approximate it, then we will use a calculator. With some of the calculators, we might need parentheses around the denominator, then x will be approximately negative 0.149. Thank you for watching the video, and please come back for more math content.